Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to sell event tickets on Squarespace. If you're hosting an event and want a streamlined way to manage ticket sales directly through your website, this tutorial will show you exactly how to set that up. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your main dashboard where all your websites are displayed. Now, click on the specific website where you want to sell your event tickets. This step is important because it ensures you're working on the correct site. If you manage multiple projects, once inside your site editor, look over to the left side menu. Here, you'll find various options for managing your website. Locate and click on Products and Services. This section is where you'll handle all items and services you offer through your site. Under the Products and Services menu, you'll see a sub-menu appear. Click on Products. This is the hub where you can add, edit, and organize all the products or services you want to sell. Now, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Add Product. Click on it to begin creating your ticket listing. A menu will appear with different product types from these options. Click on Service. This categorizes your ticket as a service rather than a physical product, which is the appropriate setup for event tickets. Next, you'll need to input a product name. Type something clear and straightforward like ticket, or give it a more specific name like VIP ticket or general admission ticket, depending on your event. Below that, you'll find a field for the description. Here, put a description about your ticket. Include details like what the ticket grants access to, the event date, location, or any special perks included. This helps potential buyers understand exactly what they're purchasing. If you'd like to make your listing more visually appealing, you can input an image. This could be your event poster, venue photo, or any graphic that represents your event well. While this step is optional, adding an image often increases engagement and gives your listing a more professional look. Now scroll down to the inventory section. This is where you can set a price for your ticket. Enter the amount you want to charge per ticket. Right below the price field, you'll see an option labeled Unlimited Stock. You'll want to disable unlimited stock so you can control how many tickets are available. Once disabled, input a stock number that reflects the total number of tickets you want to sell. This prevents overselling and helps you manage capacity effectively. Take a moment to explore some additional options available for your ticket. Depending on what your event needs, you might want to set variants like different ticket types, add custom form fields for attendee information, or enable scheduling features. These customization options allow you to tailor the ticket experience to fit your specific event requirements. Once you've configured everything to your liking, click Save to store your changes. After saving, click Publish to make your ticket listing live on your website. Give the system a moment to process and update your site with the new product. Now, navigate back to your Products or Services section. You should now see your ticket listed among your available offerings. This confirms that your event ticket is live and ready for purchase by visitors to your site. And that's it, you've successfully set up event ticket sales on Squarespace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.